Hello everyone, welcome to Code with JS Girl. Today let us see the tap operator of the Rxjs. So tap is a simple operator that returns an observable identical to the source. That is, the input and output are exactly the same. It does not modify the stream in any way. It is used to perform side effects without affecting the original value of the source. What they mean by side effects? The side effects mean certain call to actions or anything which does not affect the actual data. It may call any other function which does not affect the actual data. Let us see the picture depiction here. So we are giving a stream of data here 1, 2, 3 into the tap, and the output we receive is exactly the same. So we can use the space to perform these three operations. Either we can console.log the value that we get to just analyze it or debug the code and to check whether we are receiving what we expected, or we can store this data which we can use at a later point of time, or we can perform actions which is completely outside the scope of the observable. Now let us see this in the code. So here I have a data source which is an observable basically, because I have used the of operator to emit this values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we let us apply the tap operator on this data source and see how it works. So tap operator takes a callback function. We have to subscribe this to make it as an observer. So now tap will receive a value. So this value we can use it either in three ways. First way, we can just console it, log it to check how it looks. So I can check that I receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. That's fine. Or I can store this somewhere. Somewhere. Let EA equal to value. This doesn't make much sense here, but in Angular or in any application in real world, we can use this place to store the actual source of observable in somewhere, either in store, Angular NGRX store or somewhere, which we can use at later point of time. And we can perform call to action, like we can route, if this is the last, if we receive this observable, we need to route this to a different route, or we can perform whatever we call to action we want. And even if I modify this value here, like value equal to value star 2, please note that it will not make any difference in the output. Whatever manipulation I done here will not be the output. The input will be exactly same as the output. Even if to check that, I can just console log. I have given value star 2 here, but if I console.log this value inside the subscribe, we can see that so the output is exactly the same as the input. There is no modification, even though I have modified the value. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any difference to the tap. So that is what tap is all about. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.